Imagine having an AI-powered assistant on your website that knows everything about your business. What if it could chat with your visitors just like a normal person, answer all their questions, and give information like what products are in stock, their order status, expected delivery time, and so much more? Sounds almost magical, right? Unlike a real person, this AI chatbot can be active 24/7 on your site, and it will reply to your customers instantly, so you don't even have to move a finger. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adding an AI chatbot must be complex and expensive, right? But no, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process to add an AI chatbot to your website. So buckle up, I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To add an AI chatbot to our site, we're going to do 4 steps. And the first step is to create an account on Tidio. To do that, just click link in the description, and it'll take you to this website called Tidio, where we can make our AI chatbot. Just click get started. Now enter your email address and set a password. Here enter your website's URL where you want to add the chatbot. If you don't have a website, you can watch this video to learn how to create one under 10 minutes. I already have a website, so I'm going to go there, copy this link, and paste it here. Now agree to the terms and click get started. Now to complete creating our account, Tidio will ask us some details, so let's just fill in these details. And click next. Now since we want an AI chatbot, let's select Lyro, the AI support agent. And click let's go. Okay, so now we have successfully created an account on Tidio, and we've got our dashboard. Next, let's move on to the second step, which is to set up our chatbot. Just scroll down and click here. Here you can customize how you want the widget to look like, and you will get a live preview of the chatbot. So first, let's give it a name. Say for example, Rachel. Now to add a picture for the chatbot like this, just click here and upload the image you want. And we've added the image. You can also change the color of the chatbot from here. And once you're happy with how it looks like, click continue. Here, select the platform to install it. In our case, it is WordPress. But don't worry if you use a different platform, because Tidio will give you step-by-step instructions on how to add this chatbot to your website, and you can follow the specific instructions for your own platform. In this video, I'll show you how to add it to a WordPress website. So next, let's go to the third step, which is to add the chatbot to our website. So to do that, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Then go to plugins and click add new. Now search for Tidio and we'll get the plugin. Click install and click activate. Once you've installed the plugin, we need to connect our site with Tidio. To do that, go to Tidio chat, click login, and then log into your account. Now we need to choose a project, so just click here and you can see we have our site. So let's select it and click integrate selected project. Now it will ask us to integrate WooCommerce, and this will help the chatbot to display our products like this. So click integrate and click approve. Now if we open the Tidio panel, you can see we've successfully added the chatbot to our website. So to check it, let's open our website. And at the bottom right corner, we've got a chatbot. Right now, this AI chatbot cannot answer our visitors' questions. So to solve that problem, we need to train it. So let's go to step 4, which is to train our AI chatbot. Training our AI chatbot is very easy. We just have to give it our website links, and it will automatically train itself from our website. So to do that, let's go back to this tab. Then click here. Click Setup Lyro AI and click Activate. Now here, we need to enter our website links, and the AI bot will learn from the website's content. So to enter that, let's go to our website, copy this link,
and paste it here. Similarly, we have to add the URL of all the pages on our site. So let's go to another page. Copy the link. And paste it here. If you want to add more links, click here and add your links. Once you've added the website links, click upload. Alright, as you can see here, the status says the training is in progress, and when the status changes to used, it means that our AI chatbot is trained. Once the training is complete, we need to activate it. So here, let's click on activate and our AI chatbot will be ready.
Alright, so let's check and see if it works. Let's go back to our website.
Click on the chat icon and let's send a message. It'll ask us to enter our email, so let's enter it and click send. Now, let's ask a question and see how it responds.
I've got an online clothing store here, so I'll ask if there are any hoodies available in the medium size. Well, that's actually a pretty good response. It's showing all the products and their links too. If we click on a link, it takes us to the product page. Amazing, right? Alright, next I'm going to ask if a product is in stock and how often the products would be restocked.
You can see it has replied that the product is in stock and the products are restocked regularly.
Nice! So like this, our visitors can ask any question and the AI chatbot will respond to them instantly. Okay, now let's say a visitor asks a question and the chatbot is not able to answer. This can happen sometimes when the chatbot doesn't have enough information. So when the chatbot is not able to answer, it'll give an option to the visitor like this, where they can chat with the real person. So let's say a visitor clicks on this and you will get a notification here on the Tidio panel.
Click on the notification on the top left. Click unassigned. And here we can see the conversations which the AI bot couldn't answer. Now to chat with them, you can quickly join the conversation and send the reply. Now if we go back to our site, you can see that our visitor has got a reply.
So this is how you can chat with your visitors directly. Now there's one more way you can chat with your visitors, which is by using the Tidio mobile app. This way, you can reply to your visitors from anywhere and anytime you want. So next, let's see how you can do that. Now the Tidio app is available for both Android and iPhone as well. So just go to your Play Store or App Store.
Search for Tidio and download it just like this. Now let's open the app, grant the permissions and log in using our Tidio account. And that's it. If any visitor wants to chat with you, you'll get a notification on your mobile app like this. Just tap on it and you can see the conversation here. You can open it, send your reply, and the visitor will get a reply like this.
Okay, so this is how you can quickly check conversations on your phone and reply to your visitors at any time. Next, let's say many people are asking the same questions that the chatbot is not able to answer. If you're getting similar questions from your visitors, you can train your chatbot to answer these frequently asked questions. So next, let's see how you can train your AI chatbot to answer these FAQs. To do that, let's go back to our Tidio panel.
Click on the Lyro icon, then click Data Sources. Now here we can add the frequently asked questions and answers so that the chatbot can learn from it. Click Add Manually. Just enter the question. Now enter the answer. Click Save. And it will be trained. To add more questions, just click Add and enter your question and answer. In the same way, you can add as many questions as you want.
Once you've added the questions, let's see if it works.
Let's go back to our chatbot. Let's ask a question that we just added. And you can see now it is able to answer the question.
Okay, Now if you see here, we have the Tidio branding on our chatbot. And if you want to remove it, you need to upgrade your plan. With the free plan, you get up to 50 replies from Tidio AI and you get technical support over email. But with the upgraded plan, you get more than 50 replies and you can remove the Tidio branding from the chatbot and add your own branding. You can also get different support services to use the AI chatbot better. The support services include technical support over email and live chat, training to use the chatbot better, identifying sales opportunities, and reporting to understand customer needs. Alright, now if you want to upgrade your plan, just go back to the Tidio panel here.
Click on Upgrade on the top right corner. Choose Lyra AI Agent. And you will get 2 different plans to choose from. You can select the plan based on your needs and remove the Tidio branding. Also, if you go to Tidio using the link in the description, you can get a 20% discount on the total price. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start using Tidio.
So that's it guys, that's how you can add a free AI chatbot to a website. Also, check out this course to learn how to make an e-commerce website without any experience in coding. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye.